Hello everyone. As CBSE has uploaded the latest information technology syllabus as well as study material. So by this video today I am going to tell you the details of the syllabus of information technology. Subject code is 402. So as on the screen you can see syllabus is there. So information technology 402 and this is of the class 10th and for the session 2020 and 21. Okay. So this syllabus is for the session 2020 and 21 recently uploaded by the CBSE on their website. So here in the syllabus as you can see details are there. So first of all this is the part A, part B, part C and part D. So overall 4 parts are there. But before explaining the details of the syllabus, first of all I want to share with you how you can download the syllabus as well as the study material from the CBSE website. So first thing is whenever you want to download the study material and the syllabus from CBSE website, so first of all use the URL in the address bar cbse.nic.in. So as you use this particular URL in the address bar of the web browser, thereafter this page you will get on your screen. So you can see this one, and here you have to click for CBSE website. So as you click on this option, click for CBSE website, one new page will get open or one next page will get open of the website. So that you can see on your screen. This is the next page you will get when you click on the previous option or link. So here you have to use this option, that is the third one, examinations. And in the examinations here, vocational education option you have to opt. So now in the examinations you will click in vocational education, and as you click on vocational education, one more or new web page will get open. So this is the next web page that you will get on your screen. And first of all, how will you download the study material? So when you get this web page, here you can see one option is there, that is a books. So when you click on this books option, this complete list of the study materials of different subjects you will get. So here now first of all this employability skill, because they already have seen that there are 4 parts, but in the theory we have 2 parts, employability skills and the subject skills. So in the employability skills, this part is same for all the different subjects. It means, for example, if someone is opting retail and someone else is opting information technology, so in both the 2 cases or in all the cases that you can see here, overall 17 different subjects are there. So for all these 17 subjects, this employability skills part is same for all. And here how you will download this employability skills study material. So just next to this new, you can see class 10 is there. So when you click on this, you will be able to download the PDF of the study material of this employability skills. After that, now next is you have to download the part B study material also, that is the information technology. So it is here second in the with the second serial number. So this is the information technology, and here no need to click on this class 10th, because when you click on this you will get the PDF of the last year textbook, but there is a huge difference in the syllabus of this year and the last year. So that's why no need to download the study material from this class 10th option, and you have to use this option, that is study material class 10. So use this option, and when you click on this option you will get one compressed file, decompress it, and thereafter you will get 4 word files there. So in this way you can download the study material from the CBSE website. So employability skills study material you can download from this class 10th option, and information technology or subject skills study material you can download from this study material class 10th option. So in this way you can download the study material. Now next thing is from where you can download the syllabus that you have already seen on the screen. So from where you can download that syllabus, so here you can see curriculum option is there. So when we are going to click on this curriculum option, so here you will get this skill education curriculum, and here you will click on this 10 option, information technology 402 and 10th option. So when you click on this class 10th option, so here you will get syllabus. So this is a way to download the syllabus. So I am again telling the procedure: curriculum, information technology and class 10th. So this is the syllabus. Now one more thing is, what is the benefit of studying this information technology or vocational subject? So that also I'm going to show you. Here on the CBSE website only this statement or instruction is there. So this I have highlighted. So what they are saying, that whenever someone is unable to clear either science or social science or mathematics. So whenever someone is unable to clear either science or mathematics or social science, in that case, if student passes this skill subject, that is information technology or some other subject, so if student is not able to clear one out of these three subjects, but if student clears this information technology or vocational subject, in that case the vocational subject will replace one of these three subjects, and thereafter student will get the pass mark sheet of class 10th. For example, one example I am considering here, that for example a student got passing marks in mathematics and social science, but that student didn't score passing marks in science, but that student has cleared this IT also. So here student has cleared mathematics, social science and IT but did not clear science. In that case IT subject will replace science, and then a student will get the pass mark sheet of the class 10. So this is the benefit of studying this vocational subject. So this is the complete method of downloading the study material of the employability skills, information technology as well as syllabus, and this is the reason why we are studying this vocational education subject. Now next I am moving to the syllabus details. So here overall 4 parts are there. When we are talking about the syllabus, then 4 parts are there: part A, B, part C and part D. Okay, so here I am first of all considering part A. So your part A here is employability skills. Now in employability skills, in this part overall 5 units are there. Unit 1 is communication skills, unit 2 is self-management skills, unit 3 is information and communication technology skills, unit 4 is entrepreneurial skills, and unit 5 is green skills. So these are the 5 units in employability skills. Now next thing is the overall weightage or total weightage of employability skills part is 10 marks. It means here individual weightage of each unit is not given. In case of employability skill, the overall weightage of employability skills is given 10 marks. So it means these 5 units are of total 10 marks. Here what I am just sharing you the experience of the last session 2019-20. So what happened in that session, this self-management skills here the weightage of this unit is 4 marks, but the weightage of rest 4 units is 3 marks. Now when you add this weightage, whatever I am telling you, the weightage of first, third, fourth and fifth unit 3 marks, and weightage of second unit 4 marks. So when you add this weightage, then it will go beyond 10. Okay, why is it happening? Actually in the question paper you are getting overall choices. How? That for example in the employability skills, first of all you will get 6 questions. 6 questions you will get of 1 mark, and out of those 6 questions you have to attempt any 4. And second one you will get 5 questions of 2 marks, and out of those 5 questions of 2 marks you have to attempt any 3 only. Okay, so in 2 marks you will get 1 question from each unit, but in 1 mark questions you will get 1 question from unit 1, 3, 4 and 5. But here in 1 mark questions you will get 2 questions from unit 2. So that's why the weightage, when I am considering the question paper, in that situation the weightage of unit 2 is 4 marks, but the weightage of other units is 3 marks. So here we can say that unit 2 is more important as compared to unit 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is all about the part A. Now when I am talking about the individual unit of the employability skills, so here the first one is communication skills. And communication skills, you will learn how to improve the communication skills, what are the different methods of the communication, as well as what are the different barriers of the communication. 7 C's of the communication is the most important topics there, so that you will learn or study in unit 1, that is communication skills. Now unit 2 is self-management skills. In self-management skills you will study here about the stress. What is stress, what are the different reasons or various reasons of the stress, how we can manage the stress, as well as here you will get one more topic, that is work independently. So these are the topics in the unit 2. In the unit 3 you will see here about the operating system. You will learn here about the operating system, various functions of the operating system. There are different types of operating system based on their functioning, as well as here you will learn about the method of maintenance of the computer system also. Okay, so that is, as well as you will learn here about the antivirus, how you can remove the temporary files from the computer system. So that everything you will learn in the ICT skills unit 3. Next one is entrepreneurial skills. Here you will study about the entrepreneurship, what are the various myths of the entrepreneurship, how entrepreneurs are contributing in the society as well as in the country, so how they are contributing to the countries, that everything we are learning in this unit 4. Now last one is the unit 5 in the part employability skills, and here we are studying or learning about the sustainable development. What is the ecosystem, what are different factors those causing ecological imbalance, okay, how we can conserve our natural resources. So these all topics you will learn or study in unit 5. So this is all about the part A, employability skills. Now I'm just taking you to the PDF employability skills. So here it is on the screen. So you can see 5 units are there again, and overall weightage again here is mentioned, that is 10 only. And thereafter this is the brief details of the units, and from here the first unit is starting, that is communication skills. When you check this PDF you will not find any kind of heading of the chapter at the starting of the unit or at the starting of the chapter. So as you can see here that communication skills unit is starting from here, but no heading is available there on the screen. Okay, so in this way you will get all the other 4 units. So this is the soft copy of the employability skills. Now moving to the part B. So here now part B is on the screen, and this is the important part. Now why important? Because of weightage of part B is 40 marks, employability skills is only of 10 marks. So that's why it is important. Now part B, its name is what? Subject specific skills. Subject specific skills means, as you are going to study information technology, your subject is information technology, so here all the 4 units you will get related to the information technology. So that's why it is subject specific skills. Now here in the subject specific skills, first unit is what? Digital documentation. Digital documentation basics you have already studied in class 9th. So here you will get advanced options for the digital documentation, and the weightage of this unit is 8 marks. After that, next unit is electronic spreadsheet. Again electronic spreadsheet also you have studied in 9th class. Here this is again advanced one, and the weightage of this unit is 10 marks. Thereafter next is unit 3, database management system. In short it is also called DBMS, and this unit is with the highest weightage, that is 12 marks. And the last one is unit 4, web applications and security, and this unit weightage is 10 marks. So in this way the total weightage of 4 units in the subject skills is 40 marks. So when I'm talking about the theory examination, I'm talking about the CBSE theory paper. So here as you can see that employability skills is of 10 marks, and this subject specific skills is of 40 marks. So in the board examination you will get one theory question paper of 50 marks. So there will be 2 parts in the question paper. In the first part employability skill questions will be there, and those questions you will get from these 5 units that you can see on your screen. Okay, so you will get 10 marks one part, and in that questions will be from these 5 units, and thereafter next one more part will be there, and in that part that will be part B, and the weightage of part B will be what? 40 marks, and in that part B you will get the questions from these 4 units. So in this way in the question paper you will get 2 parts, part A and part B. Now one more important information. Now that is what? That in the employability skills part A in the question paper you will get only 1 mark and 2 mark questions. But when I'm talking about the subject specific skills, here you will get 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks as well as 5 marks questions. So these are the different type of questions you will get in the subject specific skills, but in the employability skills you will get only 1 mark and 2 marks questions. Now next is I'm just going to show you one by one all the 4 units soft copy. So the first unit is now on the screen, digital documentation advanced, you have already seen, and in this first unit digital documentation you will learn 5 different options or features of the application. So first one is what, create and apply styles in the document. This is the first topic here in this unit. Second topic is insert and use images. Third topic is create and use template. Fourth topic is create and customize table of contents, and the fifth one is implement mail merge. So these are the 5 topics in the first unit, that is digital documentation of the subject skills. Now moving to the second. So in the electronic spreadsheet there are 4 topics only. First topic is realize data using scenarios and goal seek. Second topic is link data and spreadsheets. Next one is share and review a spreadsheet, and the fourth one is create and use macros in a spreadsheet. So these are the 4 topics in electronic spreadsheet. Now the third one is database, completely a new concept for you. Relational database management system, RDBMS, here they are mentioning, but in the syllabus they mention database management system. So actually it should be database management system only. So this is the third unit, and here as you can see basics is mentioned here. Why? Because in 9th class you didn't learn or study this topic, so that's why here in the 10th class you will learn the basics or basic concepts of DBMS. So here as you can see total 5 topics are there. First one is appreciate the concept of database management system. Next one is create and edit table using wizard and SQL command. I'm just telling the full form of SQL, that is structured query language. Okay, so actually this structured query language is used to create the tables, as well as we can use this language to do changes in the created table also. So that is SQL command. So here you will learn the SQL commands, and this SQL command is a very important topic, and you will surely get 1 5-mark question in the board paper or in the board examination from this SQL command. For example, last year in 2019-20 one question was there, and they asked to the student to use create command to create the table, and that was SQL command only. So here you will surely get 1 5-mark question in the board examination. So learn this or study this SQL commands concept very properly. Now third one is perform operations on table. So again here also you will learn the SQL commands only, means how we can add the data in the table, how we can remove the existing row from the table. So that everything you will learn in the session 3. Session 4, retrieve data using query. Retrieve means access. So whatever data we have stored in our table, if we want that data or if we want information from that stored data, so that we can access by using the select query. So here you will learn in detail the select query. Okay, so that is the one SQL command only. So that is the session 4, and in the session 5 you will learn how to create forms and reports using wizard. This is a very easy topic, but maximum 1 mark or 2 marks question you will get from the forms and reports, but 5 marks question you will surely get from these 3 sessions, because in these 3 sessions you are going to study only the SQL commands. Okay, so here you will learn create command, update, delete, select. So these are the commands that you are going to learn in these 3 sessions, and the weightage is also 12 marks. So whenever you will study this topic, just give your 100% attention. Now 4th unit is web applications and security, and here in this web applications and security, as you can see 11 sessions are there. So we can say this is the lengthiest unit in the subject skills. So first one is working with accessibility options. Second session is networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals, here you will learn about computer network architectures, what is the use of the computer network, thereafter different types of wired as well as wireless internet connections, for example DSL, dial-up. Okay, so that you will learn here in the networking fundamentals. Next one is introduction to instant messaging. So here you will learn about the instant messaging. Next one is you will learn about the instant messaging, but in this case you have to use Google Talk application. Now next one is here creating and publishing web pages blogs. So here you will learn in this session how to create the blogs, and thereafter here when you learn this topic you will use wordpress.com you are going to use in this session 5, and by using WordPress you can create the blogs. So that you will learn in session 5. Now session 6 is using offline blog editors. Now offline means what, that when we don't have active internet connection, in that case if we want to create the blog, so that blog we can create by using offline blog editors applications, but we can upload it on the web page only when we have the active internet connection. So that we are able to that you will learn in the session 6. Next is online transactions, very common term. Whenever we are using the internet for the transactions, so that is online transaction. And for example here we are using e-wallets, or we are using debit card, credit card also, as well as net banking method also we are using. So that everything you will learn in session 7. Session 8 is internet security. Internet security means when we are using the internet, then many threats are possible there. Okay, someone can, for example online transaction we are doing, then someone can access our debit card details, and thereafter that person can do the transaction. So for that we have to make sure that whatever transaction we are doing or whenever we are using the internet, it is completely safe and secure. So there are different methods. For example, when we are creating or giving password to our any account, for example Facebook account, in that case we always have to give the strong password. The strong password means what, there should be alphabets in lowercase, in uppercase, as well as number must be there at least one, as well as special character also. Special character means what, hash symbol or question mark symbol. So these are called special characters. So that is session 8, internet security. Next one is session 9, 10, 11 are the very common. Maintain workplace safety. So how we can maintain the workplace safety, so that you will learn here in session 9. Session 10, prevent accidents and emergencies. So how you can prevent accidents and emergencies, very common topic in this you will learn. And the session 10 is protect health and safety at work. So how you can protect health and safety at workplace, so that you will learn in session 11. So this is all about the theory part. Now, so we have seen here the details of part A and part B of the syllabus. Now, as I've already told you that theory paper will be of 50 marks, 10 employability skills and 40 subject specific skills. Now next one is practical. So 50 marks there will be of practical. So here in the practical again two parts are there, part C and part D. Now in the part C, practical examination will be there of 15 marks. Practical examination means one question will be given to you, and that question you have to solve on the computer by using the software that you will study in the part B. So that is practical examination. Written test, here you have to give pen paper test, that is the written test, and its weightage is 10 marks. And viva will be there, means oral test, means from the syllabus 4 or 5 questions may be asked to you, so that is of 10 marks. So in this way the part C overall weightage is 35 marks. Now part D is also there. In part D, first of all practical file. So now here you have to make one practical file, as you are making one practical file in science subject. So in the same manner here also in information technology, one practical file you have to make, and you have to write their practicals. So that practical file will be of 10 marks, and again one more viva will be there of the part D, and that weightage is 5 marks. So overall part D is of 15 marks. So here part C 35 and part D 15. So this practical overall is of 50 marks, 50. So 50 marks practical and 50 marks theory. So in this way The total subject is of 100 marks. So this is all about the details of the syllabus. Now if you have understood everything, then like the video and subscribe the channel, because very soon I will upload the videos of the topics digital documentation.